Hello, Tracy here. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm in between journals. I've been doing some printing. I found a couple kits that I like, and I've got Reader's Digest books, and I just thought instead of doing a soft cover journal like I have been doing lately with one signature, I thought I would actually do a few of these Reader's Digest. But for today, I have started going through my wardrobe and found a whole lot of unfinished projects. So I found this set of 4 that I must have started, and it's just a folio of New Zealand birds. So as you can see, I've done the front and the backs, the front, back and in the inside. So we've got a beautiful tui there, got little wax eyes there. So yeah, they're all ready for the envelopes. So I thought I would start on these. Well, actually not start on them, actually try and get a few finished. So I see with this one I've actually done the inside of that. So I've gone through my scraps, and I have got so many scraps. Yeah, it's unbelievable how many I've got. So I want to use some up. So I'm just going to potter around and do this for a while and see how much I can get done. So I quite like those 3 scraps together. So let's get cracking, see how much we can get achieved. So let's put that on that side. So I'm going to have to mark it. What I might actually do is pull that out of there. So for anyone that hasn't done a file folder, this is just a normal manila folder. It's the darker brown one. Just scored it, and that must be about quarter of an inch wide. So it's got your spine, and that's pretty much it. Yeah. I haven't done it for a while, so I'm just trying to think. So this here is the natural bend of the file folder, and then I've just cut it down and yeah, scored. Unless I actually start from the scratch, it's a bit hard, but I leave this open because I'm going to glue it all down later. So first of all, let's just put this to the side, or I'll put it up the top. And let's get cracking. So I want a little bit of a border. Let's grab a pen. So about there. Let's give this new cutting board another crack. I just don't seem to be able to master it. I don't like it, to be fair. I'm not sure why. I just find it really hard to look through with my eyesight the way it is. And we will go out there. So just eyeballing it. Put that to the side. To the side of me, you can't see, but I've got a whole lot of New Zealand books, that sort of thing. Let's get a bit more organised. Honestly, between journals, I have a really good tidy up, so that my bench is nice and clean. I'm refreshed, ready, waiting for the next journal when I decide what I'm going to do. Oh, wrong way. I want this side. Yeah, this time I'm living in a shambles. I know where everything is, but it's still a little bit frustrating for me not to be organised. So that's that. Let's turn it over and let's glue my glue book out. So we're going to glue that down. Dogs have just been fed, so they're happy. Good day at work today. Make sure I've got it on the right way. And pull it down a little bit. And pull it over a little bit. So yeah, it'll be good to get these out of the way. I've got a few others that I've started. These four are definitely, I had the idea of New Zealand birds. So I'll carry on the theme with these four. I've got one that is vegetables, fruits and vegetables or something. Yeah, this isn't going to start. Let's just give it a little bit of a help. I just pulled the whole thing off. Booked in for my holiday to Singapore today, and that got approved, so that's all good. Now I better save for it. An unexpected holiday. Actually can't wait. Now that the tickets are bought and accommodation's done, it's actually becoming a little bit real. So I actually cannot wait. So I did see I had this partially cut, so I thought, what have we got on the other side? Oh, we've done that on the other side, so maybe not. Let's so we've got that in there. I think what I want to do is do the envelopes first and then decide what I want to decorate with. So this goes, tucks in, just have to refresh my memory. That tucks in, that goes down there. So we need something to cover this. And I'm thinking that this will do the job. Turn it around the other way. So let's just go down there. So yeah, just a easy crafting session today. I see I've got a few more subbies, so thank you. Welcome. Hopefully you find something interesting. If you've only been here a couple of days, I'm just in between journals. I normally have a couple between journals. I normally have a couple kits printed out that I find and that I really like. Just because I print them out like them yesterday and printed them out today doesn't necessarily mean I'm going to do it, because I might just change my mind, might see something, or like I know I've got, oh, open up, I know I've got bee journals on the horizon, so you know I could get cracking with that, but right. I'll get these four done and then see where I'm at. So we want to yep, that's right. Put some. So how have you all been? I hope you've all had a fantastic weekend and the start of your week is amazing. Mine's been pretty busy at work, so I just want to pull that up a bit. scrunch it up a bit. That should have gone over a little bit more, but that's okay. Right, so that's the back of that. Then we've got the front. Do I want, I quite like something like that. I just want to have a look. So that will be, actually that will look all right opened up onto that. So we are going to use this. There's be a bit of journaling space up the top. Bring it down a little bit. Actually, I'll bring it over so I can see what I'm doing. I know why I'm not comfortable. My seat has decided to drop me down to the lowest, so I feel like I'm a little kid up at a big table. I couldn't understand why I wasn't comfortable. And then, so that's going to go there like that. So let's just mark that about there. And that should be okay to glue that one down. So yeah, I'm trying to come up with ideas on using up my scrapbooking paper. Probably scrapbooking paper more so than, oh no, actually I've got digital scraps too, unfortunately. Right, I want to make sure, and you know what, I didn't do the edges. I'll quickly do them. My fingers are all sticky and I don't have my baby wipes out. Down there. Can probably go up a little bit. Beautiful, beautiful day today. It's a sunny winter day, and it is hot outside. Well, hot for my standards. So that's going to go in, and then we've got this one. And do we just put something like, oops, there goes the lid. And you know what? That will pretty much fit there, won't it? And I actually want it that way because I can see that B. But then that's going to be upside down. Oh no, the B will fit there. So just before there. Like that little piece. Yep, maybe a smidge off. Probably a little bit too much off, but that's okay. I need to catch up on my videos actually, watching other people. What? As my computer decided to start up by itself. That's nice, I like that. And then this side, let's just get this back. Pop this in. So that will go like that. Cool. And then out. So I think we want another piece. How about something, is it big enough? Probably not. Do we want another pattern on that side? It's not wide enough. It's big enough. Mr. Tim Holtz. Oh, you know what? That there is just about perfect. But I think I like that. Yay! Using up the scraps. So let's just mark it there. Get that cut. Beautiful. Let's get rid of this. I can hear Mr. Whippy outside. Mr. Whippy, for those that don't live here in New Zealand, Mr. Whippy is like a truck that goes around, and it's got like a snow freeze, like an ice cream on a cone. And I'm not sure why. I'm glad my girls have grown up, but I would say there's probably a lot of mothers out there in New Zealand. If you are listening to this, you'll probably know exactly what I mean. I mean, it is 4:40. Now, why would you go around at 4:40 when you are preparing to, you know, getting ready to prepare tea, and then the kids hear Mr. Whippy and they want Mr. Whippy. Then there's crying because they want a snow freeze before dinner. I mean, why does he come around this time? And the funny thing is, I was thinking about it the other day, every time I hear him pop around, I think it's just once a week. But why does he come in winter time? Weird. Right, so we now have, make sure that I'm in frame, yes. We now have an opening and an opening. So that's glued on there because of that. And what I want to do now is open this up, and I'll get my super duper glue. And let's just glue this down. This is Aleene's tacky glue. I've had it for years and years, even since I was, probably had it for about 10 years, and I've got 2 little containers full of it, of the last of it. So I had it when I was a card maker, and I didn't really like using it, but this seems to be good for what I'm doing now. I just want to make sure that that's lined up. I'm going to turn it around. Feel very unco at the moment, very uncoordinated. Right, let's get this bit down. Now what we want to do is glue the whole lot together on the two ends. So I wanted to do this online because I wanted to get them done, and I don't actually have to think when I'm doing these things. It's just a matter of finding something that fits, so I don't have to think, which is good. I can just sit here and craft away, maybe think about what I'm going to do for tea, what I have to do at work tomorrow. So yeah, I don't have to think, so I will sit here and do the other three. Squash that down. I'll sit here and do the other three because I want to do this. I'll probably do these as, sell them as a set maybe, and they can make nice gifts. So these will get all decorated up. So we've got, that's already got a little tack spot, so I'll have to do some tags and things to go in. This one here, I might just do, it in a pocket there. Do 2 pockets there. Do a belly band there, and a belly band there, and then maybe a side pocket there. And then of course I will do my 2 holes, have the string, and have a signature in the middle. So that that really was just me having a play, relaxing, bringing you along for the ride. Not much to show. I'm sure most of you have done one of these before. Really quite simple. I will carry on. I'm not going to bother doing tags or anything like that at this point. I want to get these other ones done to the decorating stage, and we will come back on Thursday. Get rid of that. We will come back on Thursday at the decorating stage, and we'll finish one off together. So that is the plan. But yeah, I'll be happy when these are done. It'll be really cool. Okay, oh well, thanks for joining me, and I will see you in a couple of days. See you later.